Welcome back to Toga TV, you see me? And I know say in the last month I never been doing a movie with them. But now you kind of find yourself back on track. You're going to movie every other day. You see me? I try my best. You see me? If it not happen, every other day, the next day you'll get a movie. So, another stay tuned. Pick up on yourself and show me love for the last movie I post. So, I want to show me love on the movie. See me. Pick up on yourself. I want to go over Shani's lifestyle. Check out the movie show over there. You see
God. We're tired. Oh boy. How are you? You feel bad? What?
No.
Oh, come here to the side. Me sister, I'll do your bigger one. The girl are not good for you. The girl are not good for you at all.
Why every girl when I come to our way to run always Batman I like
I'm not jealous. I'm not bad mind. They're just not right for you. I'm find the right one. Have you a waist girl like you come here, like you put them up at the club or something? I'm gonna right for you. If you find decentable female, the one they can run do.
The next girl when I come here and you run with, I got a problem between me and
me and I no problem. Me and I have no problem. Simple as that. When you bring female, come and bring sensible female, because you bring some little idiot, gold digger, who only want to feel a little bit of money you have. You hear what I'm saying? A little bit of money, you don't have no money, and some expensive female. That's me a female. You know how they think, you know their mindset, and they ever say some things up here. But you're not listening because I'm me ever up here and not hearing. So, ladies can be sitting next time you look at female, go to church and look at female. Yeah, they're not church, by the way. That church. And get a female bring come. Probably she will better than 10 minutes. Because when I pick up a fire, was not ready at all. And I'm going to forever run them. You understand? Yeah, so I'll go up here now. So I want to come down here and come in by yourself. Oh boy.
you can buy one drink soon.
So about me, I don't want something in the shop too.
Yourself, too.
I like how that sound, but you know, too trust this. Wait for me, you know. Wait for me, so come back.
Hello, bro.
Hello. Where are you? You single? You sure you're single? Come I can't take no bus here right now, you know. Alright, let me give you my number. Can you call me? Alright then. I'm going to be ready soon. Yeah. The shop lock, but I come walk with you, so I go along for the money. The shop lock, and you have to pay me for my walking. You understand?
You just always find some way for rob me.
I don't rob. It's not robbing enough. Because you say I'm going to shop and I meet us if I make shop lock. Oh, I mean, I walk around for free. Girl, Chinese.
What, my girl?
I'm going now. Right now, I'm tired.
What's that? It's so long. Come on, that Sunday.
Girl, this morning, it was like I was running a marathon because I passed on running early in the morning.
Oh, yeah, lose weight?
No?
Shucks.
I run, no?
Oh, yeah, lose.
I run out the dirty girl out of the house, my brother woman.
When you got to run out the man, woman, them?
When? When you have sense, I pick up a properly one.
What you want him do?
Pick up a properly
You
woman.
want to look woman game?
If that be the case, because he's clearly don't know what fit for him.
No, that is not right, Kayla. Your brother, you know saying older than you, right?
I don't
You might
care.
choose which man if you there with.
Me not no man.
Not yet. But you might tell you which one to go talk to.
No, but you see, the thing is that him is the bigger one. But he don't have no sense. It's me get all of the knowledge, so me have to use the knowledge.
I don't think you get none of the knowledge.
Why you say that?
Because you cannot choose for him.
Me not choose
It's
for
like
him.
you don't want your brother have no woman. You want him there with you?
If you never my best friend, with a box in your face.
No, but Cherry come here run Cherry. Kim
Cherry-
come here run Kim. Jessica come here run Jessica. Pearline come here run Pearline. Who else you gonna run now? I don't even know the one we see her run this morning.
I know, me not know her name.
See same thing. When you gonna tap on the man woman them?
See, all of the women when bring come. It's like you don't understand. One of them come, one of them teeth, me teeth brush. If you not bring teeth come,
The word is
him bring-
toothbrush.
I don't give a damn what one name, you know. I tell you
You
what
never
them
get
teeth.
none of the knowledge?
At least I have sense to know so I don't pick up no good. You see, he don't have no money. He have a little chump change of money. And every time he make a girl, them take the money from him.
So we want him to spend it on you?
He better spend it for me.
He can release help on you?
No, he go back.
Okay.
Girl.
Then have to have a woman.
And me a
Why you not
friend.
look one game?
Oh, you know long me to say for there with him.
No.
And you don't want him.
Mm-mm.
So why you don't want him?
I can't believe your family jam like this one right now. No right now.
You know, me and your friend.
Mm.
So me know say you're half gold digger. You're half
because
gold
the
digger.
one when you give me the money, I can't spend it back on you. You're very unfair,
But I know
Kayla.
really that's why. It's like you don't understand. People like girl when I take up don't want him, they just want him money.
How you know that?
Because they ever say some things. One time, the one this morning,
Mm-hmm.
and last night he bring her come. Yeah, on the phone, but girl, right now, I gotta collect some money after I come with me, I got beach with my next man. So if I get rid of it,
It's not have to be our next man.
me hear the word next man. Me not dumb.
Maybe I want driver. Remember, see your brother not driving. Him not drive. So, look upon the girl what did live down the road, right? She have car man, she have bike man. And then when done, she go look on bicycle man. When the car tire puncture, she go to the bike. When the bike down the gas, she go to the bicycle. Your brother not have none of them. Him not have car, bike, nor bus. He don't even have bicycle.
Why the better stay single? As simple
And
as
get the
that.
money.
No, spend the money for the house. Because he need a better house. Get a wall house, now get a upgrade.
Kayla, I don't know if to tell you. Me sorry, me can't help you this trip. Me I wash me dirty clothes them to put on. We go put on.
Well, me they come go up on the road, so I can't tell nothing to tell you.
No, me not have nothing to tell you. Me not have nothing for you.
Me have something to tell you. Me and your friend.
What you tell me?
Get a man and get some new clothes. So as I take off one two suit, you know,
You
to
know,
wash
so
it.
me
people
wet
like-
you?
No, guys,
Me will wet you okay, look like you don't even bathe from
I
morning.
did this morning.
You
girl.
pray better you go look for your toothbrush and the girl take.
Pinky,
Wow.
how you take a pot on the fire?
So you can't take a good take a
No.
pot off the fire?
No, I can't do that. I can't cook, so I not touch it.
So I'm
Alright, I'm hungry. So
you're
herb and-
lucky. Then we go find something for them because you don't have used to nothing.
No, I don't want to step on I want something to eat. I want fried chicken and it's something. I left something on the fire to burn up.
So I'm going to get money from to give you for go. Listen to me.
Me
Try
no
to
know what
hustle
me
that yourself,
hungry.
you know.
Me hungry.
Where you going to
Y'all cook something, give me. I don't know where the yard for.
Me? We go walk in at the fireside. Where you there yard? Where you there yard for?
We don't sleep. Yeah, bigger one ever cook, give me.
Oh, I'm going to breeze and drink water. Make your belly full. Because I'm not going to no fire. I'm not come back for the come please you.
Well, me hungry, so I have to go cook something.
Go and go up in the yard. Come on, where you go?
Go on, bad dog. Everything good do. Yeah, do it. Yeah, man. See me there, boy, I go and breeze out on the foot, you know? So if your mom say you care. Boy, you know, so my sister run him out this morning. Fear woman.
But I run him out, run him
Come
down.
like
run
you
him
not
out,
have no
brother.
sense. You not have sense. Yeah, make your sister run your woman out of your house.
Brother, I'm
Your
saying
man,
we
your
down
man,
the
brother.
road, ain't running go bad man. Well, look, you know.
He running go down the road. How are you there?
So then me did in my bathroom, Batman.
You boof your sister and say, relax yourself if you run woman out of my place. No fear, no
Brother,
fear.
me hear them a run go down the road and I come out. I go down the road, he run go weird down so bad man.
That embarrassing, brother. Me, if I made a girl, I'm with the back with you. That embarrassing. You own a family, dog. I run out the girl out of your place.
I'm far in running down.
Are your sister room or fear room?
Feel me?
So how she be, how can I right to run she out of your place?
No, I'm not right, but me I tell her in my bathroom, me the bad man.
Boy, you always salty the girl. First you run out the one for run a meal bank and you want a red drum. Now she run out this one.
You think of that? You know the one the boy me meet one next one.
What?
See you in place, brother, when I come from down your road, I'm brown one named Pinky.
Name who?
Pinky.
You see the same thing me just tell you. Oh, it's a salt.
Where you talk?
Pinky.
Yeah.
You know who they call Pinky?
No, me just make him not so wrong.
That's a mattress there.
Bad man,
I one way you don't want to put in your room, yeah?
I'll lie you the tell, bad man.
That done.
I'll lie you the tell.
You don't want to put that mattress there in your room.
Bad man, stop telling me for this issue.
You know, listen, you think I joke to me and tell you? Why you don't listen? You see that me and your friend, you feel listen to me and say, I don't know, fool is me and tell you.
I'm not lying, sorry.
You ever tell you something bad about a girl and not go so? It goes so. You don't want to put a mattress in your room. Remember, I go that road there. Don't go that road. Me tell you God living through. Yeah?
Alright, so what's going on? I'm going to beg you like what you tell me that. I'm just going to go and look out of my eye.
So you really a vex with me, me tell you the truth?
No, me tell them I'm going to beg you them, just going to look out of my eye them.
But you still out talk to her. Do you think, bro? Do you think? They say, it's cow can't hear and it belongs to the say, do you think? If you can't hear, you will feel. Do you think, man? They are one way to hear from them, right?
Alright, no.
Why you so stubborn?
One teacher. Yeah, cause me like teaching up and just nice.
I think the one left from so much, I could stand what you do.
But me very too.
Too much. Too much.
I want one chicklets. I want twin.
So you have the name pick out to the married.
No, you have one, me that name. If I want boy, me that name of a your name. If I want girl, me that name of a. I don't know. So, what about you? Your question, what about you?
Me? I'm so tell the truth, man, I belong mechanic.
Seriously? They didn't say if you work for one garbage truck, you don't get enough money?
No, so you get my money if you're a mechanic.
No, mechanic take long to pay. So when they want to come and fix them car, I don't want to pay you. That cause all me. I mean, I want to bust nobody in.
So you're a bad girl?
Bad girl. But when they say, you don't work for a rubbish truck, you get about 35,000 and 40,000 up. You can't even got them kind of I got foreign go work and something. I tell about them, they don't come to work for it.
So that's all like you out, man. That's all like you have on stable
Yeah, I was stable time too, man. You know, said I have a trip from my sister. Because I should run up her yard, you know. And she can't help herself like that. She handicapped. So, I go look for my sister and say she alright and just with me. So, me see you later here. Alright. Later, baby.
Oh, God. tired. Yeah, see what happened?
There, no, but
There. Yeah, right. So yeah, that's what we said. I'm tired.
don't even answer the question then. I swear.
I want me to see you know. Oh, like,
You look like me, alright? You know, see something never on my foot.
foot look.
So you come sit down so close to me.
You want to say, you see, I'm like it.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
So I can't say.
Don't do that.
I see, I'm like you, seem like a nice person. So you know what I mean?
You think that I don't know who you be? In this place that you walk and look everybody in this community here.
I wait take my power.
That's a job or you know what do you mean somebody call them a mattress. She that the girl that she had the community mattress. When you take care of yourself so through the place, you're there with Tom, Dick, Harry, and soon there with all Harry Potter.
No, you are Harry Potter, I'm fine.
Oh,
You?
you look like me can do magic.
Yeah, that's why you have 1 foot. Just go forward.
Nobody want me.
No, I am
Oi,
more in my
oi.
life.
Keep your hand to yourself.
So I can't
Mama,
catch you up.
Mama,
Papa.
you not look my friend.
No,
Yeah, you think me don't know everything what me know about it. Yeah, look my friend and you come and look me. You see,
But you're nice.
that's what they call a mattress, community mattress. And me tell my friend,
Everybody,
don't carry this
listen to
mattress
me.
in a film room because you're done. You're done. Everybody around the town, you're in there in here.
So that's
Carry
more
me
in
out,
your
look.
ears. More in your ears.
You can talk, you don't have to touch, talk.
You can't be mad. Eh?
Everybody here walk and you look.
My ex-man? Papa, you ask
The
me.
ex-man, you see same thing? Same goddamn thing.
Well, you see, anything me say talk about, no business about my ex-man up here. If you hear about anything, you see I can have 1 foot, I go broke in the other foot here. Any of me ear back key, just want to other foot I go broke. I'll probably a neck here. Don't talk to you.
Wow, ex-man. Listen, I'm not going to I'm going to you're going to shop.
Up on my yard?
Yeah, I'm going to top cover for you too.
I do what?
I don't know if you know.
Come here, go up here. Come. Oh, boy. Okay. So back to one nice question. That's how my place looks so. Right now smells so.
I told me get up on the product.
So you know big when it's a product best, so you come over here, so my best friend that come over here.
I just say if you call me, maybe I'll go back with the 97 product.
Oh, so I want you good?
Yeah, I'm just there going to them.
So you know find a new one you want to tell me about it now. So we can see for the right one you pick this time. And I find a new one.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh my! So you stop looking for love now, you stop looking for the woman now.
Maybe now I can't come and pay her again.
Oh, so now you stay single? The best thing that. You see, I was telling you, they never, you see, me have a good sister. Me a guide and protect you. Them they get a good for you, be a gold digger, get a cap come here. You understand? Believe in it.
No, but me understand.
Where can I believe in what I say?
So, maybe believe in a year run where you like man, they will make her come back.
Okay, the woman them no want, they want for your money. You take me from them way.
Well, yeah, but you not give them no time for you.
What time for what?
I mean,
Can I adapt to you?
you not give them no time for you get to know them.
No, to me. I don't need no time to get to know them. You see, one thing I want to do is when they come here, every look, as every time I see them like I want teeth, they have to go. And you see, the problem like say, they only want to see your money, they got to go. Cut me tell them, tell the girl in your pan her phone that talk about how she take your money and go out with other man on the beach.
So how has me come out you hear that?
Cause you're gone. She never expect me for there, she never expect me for hear her. She there on the phone and talk to her friend.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
So you couldn't wait till me come back here tell me after running man?
No, you don't need to come back. Nobody want to broke your heart. If you run her. You understand? You might be the bigger one, but I am the one with the brains.
You're the one with brains and have a job.
Well, that's different. I don't need a job. You go and work and give me the money. Simple as that. You don't need no job right now.
I see you want to live.
Well, nothing wrong with the lifestyle I live. I live perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with the lifestyle I live. Something wrong with it?
Yeah, I need a job.
I don't need a job.
So what you are going to take my money like you're a girl when I come back?
Well, if that be the case, you know, that I'm going to do that, I have to go to me look a job yet. Probably all next week, next month, I'm going to look a job. I must say you're a big brother. Stop as a big brother and provide.
So wait, how you are the same thing and you are born bad lamb?
Well, therefore, I explain it to you. You are my brother and I want the best for you. Don't worry about what happens to the others and man them. Them man, they deserve it.
So the best with me is for you to get a work so we don't have to spend for you all the time.
No, you're the bigger brother, you must provide in the house. Simple as that.
That no mean none. That you can still get a work.
Well, I'm ready to get a work. I'm ready to get a work. The argument is done. Anyways, me I come up on the road and say Shanice. So no fear. No fear from morning. So put up the bed. Right now, and get one air freshener. Come back and come.
Wrong thing. If you say they're going to look at work, you're going to look for money.
Hello. When you have your little idiot girl left in here, they don't have a job. Any day name they find out who don't have a job, you tell me about job.
Girl, what?
Nothing there.
Girl, up the road, me I try to go buy one pack of clothespin. Because from yesterday, me I wash all now, me can't done wash.
How you watch so long? You don't have so much clothes.
Rain did fall and me stop yesterday.
But then you're not idiot.
Girl, me did wash them in the rain.
Yes, I put them on the line. They would have dry today.
They would have wet.
They would have dry today and they would have wet up and dry today.
Oh, we never have no pin.
Oh God, God
Yes.
help, God help.
So what, man?
Girl, not too good in my life and everything just good. But just day here I go and live. Cover yard while I go see my brother. Brother look for me tell me about me need to look work.
That's the truth. Listen, me be not tell them. Take care and depend on your brother alone. Because
You
one,
yourself now have a job neither.
woman me not depend on nobody.
I'm not depend on him.
Yeah, depend on him can you think of a woman.
That's not I gonna not get a me and stay. He not picking up any female at all. He not pick up nobody properly. He not pick up nobody with sense.
You're supposed to go pick up somebody big, right? Big to the fuck where them treat us so bad. They don't have no money.
Nobody big can't treat me bad because I bully myself. Okay. Somebody can't treat me bad. Get your facts straight then come back.
Oh, you?
Hello? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
I said, girl, just walk through.
We are now, we are now, me have to tell the girl something. Let's get
Did I say, excuse me, please?
Yeah. Come back what?
Yeah, my sister.
Listen to me. I take your sister out of my brother life how long? I run down that little dirty bitch how long? So what you talk about?
You know,
I-
my sister.
I'm the wrong person you talk about. Go get your facts
No,
straight
I'm
or
right.
something.
I'm totally right.
No, you got it wrong. You got it wrong somebody. Oh my. Brother, yeah, bother your sister. I may run out that egg girl how long from a morning.
So when what?
What was so we know? What we are talking about?
Just the rest of my sister.
Girl, you not really talk sense in my head.
Your brother can leave my sister alone. Too much. She has too much man too. No, she's full of man, so I don't have to understand this.
Really, what on there? Why your sister? Where's sister name?
Where want?
What's her name?
Where want one?
I want to know so I can't tell myself to leave that person alone. What's her name?
Where you can know the place?
Your sister name, little girl. Tell me your sister name.
You need to know just tell her that was my sister alone.
Oh, I'm going to tell
She
myself.
no, him will know. Him will know.
Tell me what your sister name, mama. What your sister name?
Yes, I'm not tell her.
Girls,
Still
tell me
away
what your
for
sister
you,
name. Me come in, me start out a business right here, so shut up.
A word?
We are not miss me so done with that.
What your sister name?
Me need to go catch John shop to go buy my clothespin. So you tell me for go
Go
on.
on.
Little skill.
Go on.
Oh, for Jimmy dog.
Go on. You talk about business, you have to say you interrupt me.
Sister,
Yeah, wiggle your
Pinky.
damn pumpkin batty ass. What is your sister name?
Pinky.
That community mattress?
What do you mean by come to my house? I don't. What do you mean?
The girl will walk and do one bag of things with everybody in the community. That girl that your sister? That's how we oh my brother want this.
My sister. I'm not still. We just tell brother that.
Alright. Don't worry, I'm gonna start out the matter. Thank you for the information. That's what you said. Who name Pinky?
Who name what?
Pinky.
No.
I feel like who name Pinky.
First me hear the one, the woman.
Me walk pan me the pan the road top talk to my friend. One young girl see me and say to me say must tell my brother say for stop no argument, no business with our sister.
No, yeah, talk about.
You don't hear me say what?
No.
Me walk pan the road and me see a brown little child. Teenager, around 9, 13, 14, I don't know. He said must tell my brother say if he talk to our sister. Cause it's too much. Like you go here, too much. That she said, that was the exact word, it's too much.
No, so I get to mix up, I don't know.
And then you,
No.
because anyhow, whatever the little worrying girl in the neighborhood named Pinky, and you're a mingle, they want to see what take place in this, because she may gonna run the next.
No.
You know, business, you know, farmer
I don't
conversation.
know who name so.
Who if you don't know who named Pinky and you mix up with Pinky?
Me just always have bad luck, me don't know who name so.
Okay. You don't know who named Pinky? Alright, make it on. Make it rest. I just say you don't know who named Pinky and you're not Pinky at all in our farmer business. You're not a new woman, you know, but you're not talking nobody if you tell me about.
No, sir.
You're nobody current in your life right now you want to tell me about.
No.
Think real hard and real deep.
No.
Okay then. Make your argument rest clear. I've come to you saying I don't know nobody. Make it rest. Make it on right as a call as I said before. You're not talking to nobody, right? Sure? 100% guarantee you're not talking to nobody.
10%.
Okay. Alright then. I'm not talking to nobody. Okay, good. Oh god. I'm hot man, tired.
No, come from.
So now you did I come from?
Yeah, the thing. Yeah, so me take a ride off of my uncle bike. To buy one bike, so me take a ride off it. So.
So how are you going back from back on your foot no better yet?
No, me just take a ride. My uncle buy a bike, so me say me ask him to ride and
Oh.
chill out.
Okay, alright then. Let's go somewhere.
But we go, give me a minute about that with the sister. Me want to understand why every minute you have to run away with that woman.
Because you ever take up an idiot one then. Clearly, you don't see that.
So, me never know say I him and them are riding in the bed.
No, me and him are in a bed.
So why every girl in get here running? I
Because-
don't feel your business.
No.
Who you want to have sex with, how you want to push in theory.
Me know,
I
so
feel business that.
me know that, but me I tell you, say, the woman that I pick up, no good for him. A gold digger, they don't want him. So me,
You don't have no money. You have money.
he have little chum change of money. But we really talk about still.
That me talk about you might talk to one girl, right? I never see her yet or hear about her. She named Pinky. And she had the community mattress.
But man, really? Before you come to me, you come to my sister, bad man, really?
But I'm gonna talk to you about
Bad
the
man,
girl,
me
I'm
think
gonna
you're a
tell your
friend,
sister
bad man.
what happened to your brother.
So no me have come to where you going to my sister for?
So clear, nobody
Me
not
tell you
there.
already. Me tell you say don't take up that girl and
So
stop
you
that.
don't tell me where you going to my sister for?
What is that woman with you?
Yeah, it man one
No.
girl.
He said no, no, me ask him what they can want to come to me and say, must tell my brother if he leave our sister alone. And he said not talk to nobody. Him single. So I lie. You can't go get the information wrong.
You say lie.
Any girl did them
That's
run them
when
way.
you come to me sister bad man.
You talk to man for sure?
You see what you cause a problem now, you know?
You talk to woman? He not talk to nobody. You tell me say not talk to nobody, not true.
Yeah.
You say not talk to nobody, see this so. Enough, enough. Come back your uncle bike. Come on, we have a busy to go deal with the road. Come back your uncle bike, boy.
Go on. Come to know, you're going like you one little boy. Your sister a ruler. Can't take this up, boy. Me care about my uncle bike, you know. Oh, go on.
There.
There, man. Are you good?
Yeah. So you see such one?
Oh, yeah, Waki.
Mm-hmm.
You know, saying just left from yourself. You said he just come about 5 seconds earlier, you'd have seen. But, in say, if you don't see him, you have to go over there, lie down, just lie down.
Just lie down and
yeah,
relax.
make yourself at home.
Close by you I go.
So, I care about my uncle bike. Yeah, my uncle bike.
Would
But
you
I
rock
still what I say, let me down the road because I cannot.
Come no man son hot. Just let me have down the road.
It's so like I said, out the road me again and I
It
down
is
the
you
road.
can just come back.
Like-
Let me help you. Alright.
You can walk your bike.
Oh, come on. You know I'm right here, but where you go?
Oh, my friend had me a Congo right now.
No, go over your yard.
Go do what?
One surprise over there. Just don't tell me not tell you because you love tell people who tell you things. Just go over your yard. Something over there.
But any time I go over my yard and nothing do me, I tell them say you send me over my yard. Send me your ticket.
No.
What's the
Don't
ticket?
tell nobody that. Just go over your yard and you will see what me I talk about.
But you see what you talk about. Go over my
Just
yard.
go on, man. Hurry up.
Oh, my best friend yard, me yard going now.
Me say, go your best friend yard after.
No, let me go over my yard and nothing over there, no boy. Come here, come up and kick you down on the foot.
Go over your yard.
Alright, me go over my yard then. Alright. Alright.
Something over there. She a shot, could she a walk?
Oh, man, I see Paul, you can't outside, but them up to you. Too much in there. Come on, go. Oh, man, what do I do? You must go. What's in this? What's in this now? Yeah, do it. Yeah. Why you? I do ya. How are you? But who me? I am a live ya. Let me brother alone, girl. What we do, girl? We are doing now. Girl. We are doing now. You look at dirty mattress whole girl in my bed. Eh?
In your bed?
In my bed.
So 2 matches there on your bed?
Yes. We just whack him. We are tell me say whack him. Me and whack him go and have it all.
Him find him.
After me ask him if man the girl there no. No. Me nobody not there. We go and show him something. You know, gonna pick up something properly. Every time I tell you boys, I pick up something
Come here when you say
decent.
mattress.
Everybody go through that.
Me no go through it. Me no go through it. So don't say everybody.
I don't know that.
Say everybody except me.
We need to start exercise. Because it's the second time one girl I get it from
You
me.
can't continue run I down, you know.
No.
Continue run.
No. Me going back down.
You go back down.
Yes. And wait for him to come.
Alright, go down back.
Thank you for setting me
Me
down
gonna
there.
go up so.
Oh, yeah, go up so.
Me will see what I go on up so.
Oh, alright. That dirty girl.
Yeah.
Now my bed. so glad I see you.
How can I stress you? I can't tell me now.
Go over there and give me a little catch. A little catch. Me tired. Go over.
Girl, wait now.
Move your foot now. Me tired, man.
What happened?
I said this morning, me have go up the road, you know. So I say, Toga. Toga, yeah.
Who that?
I'm black youth in the lane, you know, I'm foot broke. I'm already banana on the uncle by it now. So I said. Somebody there now, you know. And he said to me, say, oh, how me dey run with the whole of the girl them when me brother they with. And I run with the... Where you yap for?
Eh?
Where you yap me for?
Let me tell you that one story. Every time you come, it's about somebody where your brother they talk to and you're wrong.
Happiness this year.
Wow!
I beat a girl. And that me come to tell us I beat a girl, I never beat the... Hey, me tell you.
I beat a girl, but I never beat her.
Listen to me, I say. You see, after him tell me that I go up road and I say, I come link you. So I see that to me say, one surprise over me yard must go over me. I go over me yard. And the community mattress, dirty girl, pink in my bed. In the bed.
Pinky for up at the plane?
Yeah. In the bed.
No, sir.
In the bed.
Hey,
Hey.
brother, really not have no ambition. Girls, when you know say saying careless.
Hey.
That's how much is there?
Mr. Sam, go over there. I grabbed that girl and I just have beat all of you stuck up to the fan.
You know a piece of old family?
Yes, I beat that girl. The girl run and I run out enough. But you too fast, she run and left me again.
They ever fast. No, me think you need to take time. Go them in the house and don't make them get to it. Cause when you run, you can't reach them. They always run back on.
Come here, send me. Fred, let me go over there.
So what is in your head?
What?
Look at the girl beaten and you beat her.
I mean, beat the girl, yeah. He got me a bad girl from day one. No girl to me.
So you beat her, you know.
You can't see no mark for me for me beat a girl. Me beat a girl. I know every day I try my best to talk to Joaquin and say, Joaquin, if I go find a woman, find a decent woman, find a big woman, find somebody who respect you. Can't find a go butter ears girl. You know what man go through that girl in my bed, in the bed.
Funny mattress over.
When me I tell Toga, say me see the girl on the here, Toga. Saw two mattress step on the bed.
Well, let's see. I tell you now, go and go get my work. I'm gonna get to work then I roll. And the man said, if me not have no friend who want to come work, he might hire one janitor. So me I tell you say I can come.
Me think say pink you the bullshit, but you the bullshit. You chat bullshit on me ears, girl. You lick your head? You lick your head this morning?
You don't want money.
I know.
Now just think what he gonna have money to you all the days I'm like.
You don't even see I find a supermarket work, a
I
cashier
want
work.
supermarket, but
Yeah,
you just
give
want to
me
be the
janitor.
janitor.
I don't want a janitor work. You don't do janitor work. Me a hot girl. Me don't want them to work there. High class work me want. High feature all
You know
work.
data money work when I get a bitch truck.
Yes, because they make up money.
So why you can't clean the supermarket?
Me not clean the supermarket when my people in the neighborhood come to the supermarket come see me.
The man say nobody not gonna see you go clean at night time when the supermarket are locked, or you come clean in the morning before the supermarket open. In the morning you get $1,500. In the night you get $1,200. Is that hard to do? I pack the shelf, you know.
You take the
And I just $500 me I get per day.
You, me part the shelf and clean it.
No, that's too cheap. I mean, I'm not that size.
You.
Me done I pack the shelf. The
No,
day
pack
the
the
years
shelf,
them me up here, so I run down, girl, I run them down, up down, up down, up down. I keep now the better.
I'm tough to do. Get me a work where me train the fat people them. I take up a job there, they wear them all up. The fat people them, put them in front of me for run, so I run them down.
But you're no brother.
Him can't train, him just not have the sense for a man.
You see titty them a shoot. In titty them bigger than all mine.
And that's every day with him say you get some titty, cause clearly you don't got none.
I can't do it there, brother. Too much weight.
Oh, no, could have split the weight in a two.
Then mama, we're not gonna go give somebody else.
Me not
That's
give you.
right, TV, so we don't know weight.
Yeah.
How about this?
That is us.
Me can't ladder with a man when body bigger than mine. You see your brother now, in belly say, I saw him belly big.
You could have fooled
You
me.
see him body now, I saw him body shoot out.
You could have
Cannot
fooled me.
hate him. So me I give the job, you want to do, want to take it or leave it or go.
It's a girl like me. Girl like me do not do janitor work.
Oh,
I am not going to sweep.
if you didn't do janitor work, you would have money in your pocket and you would have run down no mattress out of your yard. You know why? Because you don't have your own yard with your own mattress. You would have a double mattress in your yard.
You know, I realize sometimes I want to be a young friend.
Sometimes I wonder too.
Because sometimes you feel like just back in your face. Because sometimes you talk some stupidness.
Sometimes I know say me wish me the taller than you. Because I believe say the tall, so you have the power when you use over me. If you better you go on, you know, me they can't go in.
You better you go on in. Because I show you're sitting out here about janitor work. Hot girl like me, you want janitor work. So dirty girl like right. Oh, that's like that.
Your sister go over yard, go see the pinky in her bed. Well, lie down. I wait for you. Come never send him over there. Well, right to some turn up. I wait for my uncle to call me to go to shop. I see them run past, I go up big stone and sit.
But me not tell him to go over there, so why you gone over there?
I don't know how she go over there. No more you tell her to go over there, say she go over
But
there.
then me gonna tell you to go over there, me tell my sister say me and nobody.
Well, me don't know enough. But only thing me know, we see them pass here, so I run pinky, I will take bush, I go up, so.
A problem.
Problem for you, not for me.
But me never tell him to go over there.
But me understand this. You're a man and you're a boy.
Man,
So why your sister need to know if you're in a relationship or not? Well, me understand.
Me no laugh. How I look for me?
You're going to fire.
Yeah, me go on with upper yard.
What do you mean?
I'm going to upper yard. Tell me I'm going to upper yard. What?
Same thing when you're going to fire.
You know what I mean? I asked you and I come to me say you talk to nobody. You say no. I say you know nobody who named Pinky. Hear you? No, I don't know nobody named Pinky. I know damn well they talk to little mattress whole girl in the neighborhood. You didn't know that. So I go to the yard. I get a little information from a little rat. And the rat say, go over yard, this is something want surprise over the field. So I go over the yard and the girl spread out in her bed.
so basically you tell me that I can't find nothing.
Basically, you not look for none because I be a whore you have. Be a whore pick up. Look into you, Joaquin. He's a young boy. Not there, play no crash in your face. Nobody no spit in your face. Nobody no kick you down. Nobody no box you down. You're not ugly, right? Find a decent woman. Find a decent young lady. Let's pick up the look where you pick up the Pinky. You don't want your man in here about to go to Pinky. You don't want your wood Pinky blap. Alright.
So nobody just can't even feel
It's not about enough. See you pick up a woman, you pick up a nice and respectful lady. But say to yourself, when you pick up a woman, go in the church. And in the church you go. You go in the whorehouse. Go pick up the whoring girl.
You not got church, so what that's about you?
I don't got it, but I don't whore like Pinky. I have standards. One night me hear a Pinky go out with man. Pinky come back in with cup soup. You can't go trip and come back in with cup soup. What kind of girl that you have pick up? Them girl have no class and no quality. Not only in all no real life, they don't have no class, no quality. But you have to have sense. You can't look for wife up there, girl, how much man go through. Too much man go through them, the girl, you can't want wife up there. That's not a wife material. When you look at woman, you look at wife material. Somebody who got done for earth. I not say I'm going to find a woman who will give bun. You will find a woman who give bun. But she respect you and you want to bun. Because man are wicked and woman are Delilah. So, just have to understand me, brother. That's the life go. Once I say you talk to one little girl when I'm good for you, I'm going to fix the problem.
I think you are the problem now.
Who are the problem?
You.
I can't be the problem. I don't mean you sleep with.
That's if you tap red them.
I don't mean them a sleep with, so me can't be the problem. Me not the problem. Me is, I mean I solve the problem then because Clearly in the sense, get it a dead one bag of either. You can't do pink, you don't earn me. The girl want how much man ram out and muck out and dig out. Under the bed. One with the sleep, they don't have a car on in your room. For my bed. How about that in your room? Your room they available. She will spread off in your bed and wait for you. No, stop, you come like say, when you carry the girl them come a yard, you bring them in my room. Me think that do but our life. Pinky was never for you. Pinky got too much. Pick up something better and proper. Probable. I can't pronounce the word. Don't ask me to nothing about the word. Make the word serious. So you hear? That's be good, you hear? Think about it. Alright, my brother.
Carry to mom and iPhone. My iPhone want close my everything.
Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this right. This is me here in. So if mama come down, ask me how me want down here. So if you ever tell her with one, just know say I pay this loan you get.
Understand, can I be the one? But any mom believe you, she an idiot and not ever more.
So you call mommy idiot?
Yes.
Mama want hear you. If you just box up and look red with them. And mommy really call idiot?
Mm-hmm.
And you gonna tell mama say you want iPhone and so?
Then we can't wait till I come.
But say you ever said that to me? And call mommy idiot? You know say I pick up a ears as though? But say mommy always get better music, yeah? Mommy always take it down.
Then you have to stop because people are coming to my church. You have to find them hoes.
I them mom, you see, me not look nobody, you know? Me not look nobody. The people them man not look me. Me not look nobody. What's
I
that?
don't even something so. Yeah, one name
Then I'm the alone named Pinky. I'm the alone named Pinky. No, answer my question. I'm the alone named Pinky. Not the word.
No.
Okay, thought so. So listen to me. Nobody listen to what people say. A man look me, me not look man.
Just
Call
stop.
me nice. You know something feel like you're jealous?
No. I'm too little for that. I want a man. I don't even know a meaning for that. No.
But you know what I mean for sex?
No, they can't tell me to mess up there.
Why me can't tell them something there?
Miracle.
Look
I
how
want
you
to know.
What tell this? So you grow up in your life? That go harder for you. Till you start sex right now. When you start sex right now and you grow up big, it just sex is like nothing to you because you say you start sex when you're young. Man, no, you're not virgin.
No, you don't mess up there. No, come on, cause. No, you don't mess up there.
But man, I don't talk to you where you go.
Me no want you
Quiet,
to
aye,
mess up
go
there.
talk
Keep
about
them to
mommy. Go talk
yourself.
about mommy then no. Aye, go talk about mommy. What more from mommy when you come? More iPhone, more laptop and them sitting there. So when you saw me cheat on money, so tell mommy say me want this and want that. Come now, baby, me nothing. Come, me not think mommy will give me.
Tell your mother why should you give?
I don't know. Me don't know if mommy will give me. Cause every time she send me money.
I'm not trying to help. More no more something that you're doing.
Eh?
More something that you're doing. Cause maybe a good you.
Remember say if I know me, you know them. Cause you even can boil 1 franc. Leave it hot water. Cause if you put the water on the fire, water dry out and the pot burn up.
Now if you do that thing.
But I chew me and talk. I'm not embarrassed about me in there, but you know, say I chew me and talk.
So you can teach me. You're a bigger one.
You need to learn yourself because when me younger, when me about 15 or 14 or 13, me learn to cook. Me play dirty pot till me learn to cook. So learn go play dirty pot and learn
No
to cook.
one why you don't sleep in my bed?
You go work this and lazy. You come like your pooper. Come on, to my room and go on. Come on, come on. I don't know where you come in here for. I say, lazy. You're just lazy so. What's up?
Hello, girl, my friend, come here. Can you alone the neighbor with a little bit of sense? What going good? I'm going to ask you a little detail between me and you. You know if your sister, my brother still talk, then a business, you know, like a detail.
No, but she always left go look, man. So,
I know that girl did over from day one.
yeah, four. I don't know how much I did, yeah, but I can't be just big enough fat. And you're not getting I guess it's true. You're not getting
What? Where's the other girl?
Your brother big and fat, and you're not getting no. You know?
I feel like my ears now work properly. What you just say? Repeat it one more time.
The deaf.
What you say?
Your brother's big and fat and you're not getting nothing.
Listen to me, girl. You see your sister? Your sister is a community mattress. You know what that make you?
No, I know.
Community mattress. Twin sister. The two on her or.
No,
the two on her
you're
top
two
tech
different.
man. The two that can't
We're
compare up and
different.
argue with
We're
me.
different.
Oh, not different.
We're
Don't
different.
think
Look
different.
for me good.
Look for
You're all the
Girl,
same.
the way how your maga you coming like the wire then use and run current.
Yeah, you.
Now me and your girl, my
Me a
fat.
string bean. Me
Where-
a string bean.
Yes, pampas, batty girl. You can
I
argue
a
with me.
string bean.
Make you feel weird, but I can argue with me.
I
Dirty
a
girl.
big guy.
Big girl, I don't give a damn.
You're
You can
talking
argue with me.
foolishness. No, not for foolishness.
What
Make
the
up
fuck?
my
Me
business.
have you asking one little
Bye.
simple. Have you ask a question, girl.
Nika.
Dirty girl! Knock me out! Knock me out, girl! You look a whoring sister come and argue with you about me maga. Like me no know say me maga.
Watch out. You girl, come here. We are on top.
Oh, my girl, I'm there, so. No, listen.
One girl done this, so you just a run for the girl, so.
Yeah, the girl come beat me.
Oh, she a beat you. I'm big jealous. What's your name?
Yeah.
My best friend.
I'm not care what she
But yeah, my best friend have.
She attacked me and asked me for his blood, him, brother, and my sister. Foolish.
For your sister.
Pinky.
Oh God, the mattress.
We will buy matches.
The mattress, the lane mattress, the school mattress, every mattress. You know what that? You don't look like you're the next mattress we are going to become in the future.
love man.
So what you love?
I need to know what I love.
No, it look like you go be the next mattress because.
No, me not.
So wait, we am friend of. When friend will beat you then? You take care brother too?
Look on me.
Me a look. Me a
No,
look.
man, me tell you something, I love man.
So what she a beat you? She just see and a beat you?
Yes, that's a foolish, but him brother, I tell you, brother.
No
me
man,
and
you
sister.
have to go look for my best friend. You come like this one night blood. This one night blood man. You look for my friend.
So, I don't even know if to tell that. See, just want to make some money and buy some clothes, bro.
No, like. No. Some there though.
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, Jesus. Oh,
You don't know when I may come to do it.
so you promise so?
My friend come to me can't make take out me head them out of me.
So, how the problem between the
Look at
two?
this.
Huh?
How the problem between the two?
No problem. No,
Let me tell you this.
problem.
Okay, let me tell you this. You see the problem with me and him have done in fact tonight, you hear? You ever hear people?
Me and
you
his
see me
not
a
the
coming,
problem.
you see me a coming into my
Me
chest?
not the problem.
You see me a coming into my chest?
Good. Girl, you come to
You ever see me that man? You ever see me with this man, that the man, that the man there? You ever see me that?
Talk you come here with them man. Talk to your man, please.
So, hold on. How is this coming from?
I don't know where it come from.
No, you see me with Tom, Dick and Harry for you are call me coming into my chest?
Say how?
And one man see me around, though. One man.
Everybody have it to talk, yeah, come here.
People go have it for time, so me come into my chest. You see me with man? You see with one man that pass and one man other man there so? One never come here and trail me?
I want me ear work.
Your ear too much, your ears then got rotten off. When I know say one man see me around and see me right here, so one man see me around. So babes, what happen?
There, man. Just go and raise with the talks, huh?
You're going to with this man and we are style of woman and coming into my chest?
No, I'm a boy. I don't really hear my say it in a way by people and they say.
People that are people go have it to say. But them can't catch me with Tom, Dick and Harry.
And that's why we not listen what people have to say on the road.
Hey. Where is that? No. So you listen to them too?
No, I'm tell you that's why we not gonna listen to what people have to say on
But
the
you
road.
listen to them?
You want that?
Silly girl, what you do yes again? What you do yes so?
No, sir. No.
I want one. I want take place yes so. Back up. Yeah, thank you.
So
Thank you.
what all of that for now?
What all that for? Which time you want to wear like a weird trash girl yeah? You come and talk with the girl.
Wait, who?
Wait.
What I notice with you now, what I notice with this family, And this a friendship, yeah? You don't want good for your brother.
Hello?
You don't want to see your brother with that woman.
Have to choke.
You don't want to see your brother.
You shut up.
You know
Cause you don't
what?
have no woman. You shut up, cause you don't have none.
Me don't want no woman.
You don't want to see your brother with a good woman. And woman your brother
I
have,
don't
you
want
beat them
any
and
woman
send
yet.
them away.
You know why? Cause they're all gold diggers and whore.
Me and a gold digger, me and a whore.
No, you have a right. You pass whore. Me just don't know them big words because I've never taught in school
Make
so
your
long.
brother go on.
Go on.
Why am I going now?
Me not gonna wait. You
The
know say
girl
true me
in love
attack.
with your
Who
brother.
shoot your attack? In love with what? You don't think she in love with that one bag of man?
With your brother.
Listen to me, Miss Tugger. Can you come like as a woman? You see my brother, I know met no female at all take away my brother from me. My brother don't have sense.
Bad mind.
Who some bad man get a
You
sense?
can go in a bed with your brother?
No! I don't need to
can't
go in
go
a
on.
bed with him. Me not
That
go in a
can't
bed with
go
him.
on.
It looks
No,
so.
me not understand.
Stop
That
put words
can't
in
go
my
on.
mouth. Stop put words in my
Two
mouth.
no man no want
Wanna
her.
stop put-
A two no man no want her share on every female that come around your
Yeah,
brother.
You know,
I'm boxing
yeah,
your face
yeah,
with my
man,
cup. Me
yeah,
lick in your
man.
face, but girl,
You
move.
must be a
Oh, your
man.
sister
No,
have
I'm
said.
Move, man. You like somebody just don't mock out. Look for your head.
That's not what no
So-
want you.
That's
Your brother
foulness.
So me careful come and say with all of that now, eh?
With all of what?
See
I
all runway girl you know.
Listen to me. Them the girl, you
Daddy,
don't
you
want
need
them the
to
girl
man
left.
Man up a thing, yeah, you make a sister run with girl. Yeah. What you?
I told me now want God strike me.
You come like your sister, if your sister say jump, you jump. Man, up
Me
a
not
thing
say that. You must stop it. You do not understand. You don't understand at all. You don't understand, Tugger. You don't understand. You see my brother? Me love him so much. But my brother not understand. Come go look for the pinky.
No, sir, no, I started the
You know
thing
what me
now.
I get from this now? Me think it 200 then.
You're mad.
That me I get from this.
And that box
Yeah, man.
in your
So why
face.
she don't want you to have a woman?
It's
That
not
sound like I think you would have doing now.
Oh God,
No,
oh
sir,
God.
this no
Me feel
sound
like a
sweet.
time for go away because he not talk straight. He come
You
like when he
feel
dey
like
pop in
a
foot, then
time-
pop in throat.
feel
And
like
his
a
senses
time
them
you
gone.
man.
Come on, kinda work good.
This don't look right.
What don't look right? What don't look right?
It
I'm a
look
protective
like
sister.
Uno is a
Me
A fool in the
protective.
shatter. Fool in the shatter.
You look like una family Rama. That.
No, that can't go on.
Boy, go on for me kick it on.
Everywhere this man there, you find him and run ring girl him.
You
Cause
know,
I
say,
be
you
eating
chat like
my
I think
tattoo.
you're doing now. You chat like I think what you're doing now.
You give me sister?
Probably
You
your
give me
mother
sister?
yard do it with.
Or your
Your mother
cousin.
yard do it with.
Cause me
That's
hear
why.
say cousin and cousin make good soup, you know. Oh, and
No.
them thing they do.
200 in a something.
Who don't in a
God
nothing?
No.
God alone up above can come down and tell
God
me.
alone, Papa can't tell that. God now come down for you. When God ready for you, you will see.
Everywhere this man are there, you fight.
What problem?
Yeah,
You feel jealous and nobody not find you?
No, go on, go through.
Listen to me. You come on, me talk to you. You don't pay attention to my ear that here. I know what's best, here. You don't need us this go. I see him to tapper with him.
Hey, guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Tell your friend. Oh God, you alright? Oh God, oh God, me happy to see you. Hold on. Something missing with this your picture. Where your sister there?
No, I'm gonna. But mine, she gone.
What you mean from morning she gone? Look at night time.
I know me hungry for a long time, she gone.
Hold on. And leave you one.
She's every day. Me gotta come to you know. Gotta come.
Hold on. Now what you really tell me? Sir? So she do you all the time? It's after 8 now. So what kind of time this? I look how it black up outside and she not coming yet?
Every day thing.
Every day. So hold on. What you eat from morning?
No.
Mommy. You come.
Where you did there?
You come.
Me come where you did there. Me come where you did there.
When you go shop down the sun.
From when?
But not too long ago.
Funny enough. Let me hug you because I'm glad to see you.
Oh God.
But I have been here from how long? And the first thing you do is lie to me.
Let's see what mommy.
Your sister tell me, come in long time, you know? And I fret me put on my bag and I breeze off about to go walk street and look for you. But a little while ago you gone shop. So how me I hear her belly a rumble say she hungry. Look at the ice still a melt on me.
But mommy, she can't buzz him for herself now, you know.
They know that I can't cook.
Mommy.
Tell me something. How old you be?
21.
How old your sister be?
30.
Okay. You know nothing about the law? You know, say, if anything to God forbid, anything did happen and your sister hurt or anything, is against the law that your sister is here on her own and no adult supervision.
But you can't try. But when I look a bit, me try till me can't cook.
Me help teach you for cook and you never at 13 was left on your own at night time. Look window open and dance and keep stranger in the street and everything.
Mommy, you know you walk one, you know, pass on you nobody at about shit.
Baby, me just come out to the taxi. Just come from the airport and come out to the taxi expecting to see both my girls. Oh, stop chat with what? Come on. Me tired. A 14-hour flight. I'm tired.
She hold on the place.
I do what?
Hold on the place.
No. What you say what?
Wonder why you're not here. You're not here.
About what exactly? No, talk to me, because you're talking parables.
Yeah, take it well.
And me jet lag. Make your sister talk.
She will leave a man on the road.
Stop telling for me.
Lie.
Mommy alive. Alive, she
You wonder why you're not here. Because it's spreading.
Holy man, which part?
I don't want to know which part. You tell mommy story, so which part of my name there?
You don't must know.
Mommy,
Yeah,
one
you
man
must
me attack.
have
You hear
somebody
me?
bed and somebody
One
on your
man, no
door.
she attack, bro. Tap only be stop listening to people.
Are the same man you didn't tell me about?
Yes,
Little boyfriend?
Yes, they look one man.
So what you are talking about?
Hey, what you talk about?
With holy man. Where you here, so hold on, better yet, what you see? I mean, I want you can't take here and say go court. What you see?
People walk cannot say it.
Say what? What them a say?
You not a one of the place. The tongue come to my shash.
Mommy alive. God forbid, mommy alive. Mommy alive that.
Let me tell you something. On our sister, people will talk, right? The big man himself come on this earth and he couldn't please everybody. You see what them doing? Huh? As good as Jesus was, you see what them doing? Him do good, him heal people and everything, and then still tell lie on him and murder him. Kill him. Right? So on this earth, you can never please everybody. And people will always talk about you. Right? And people now talk about you, you're not doing nothing with your life. I hope, say, them a chat thoughts.
But mommy, I thought them a talk for true. Because one man me have.
Well, from you not see, and I just hear say, from your conscience is clear, you hold your head up and go through in this life. Here, people are going to talk and say all kinds of things about you. Just brush it off. From them not do so to my picnic, and the only being on this earth that can do so is your mom and pa. Right? So you just hold your head and go through. People are going to chat. So what? The news story is that you use a mattress.
Yeah, that them have to say me I'm coming into mattress.
Anybody have proof of this?
I wish we did have it.
So hold on, you talk like so you believe it.
And that means I don't to my boyfriend kind of believe it.
Alright, well me can't swear for nobody, but what make you believe it? Because you know you're a sister. So what make you believe it?
People say it.
Me no business with people I say. People I say, other than people I say, what else?
I want girl ask me about her too. But if my brother still there, I don't want money out. I just want to hear on the road.
Baby girl, you should know me better than that. Me no live by hearsay, you know. People will talk and say whatever they want in this world. From and not true, you hold your head up and go through. But you see, hey, hey, you see, anyhow, me not say true, you know. Remember, say me just come off a plane and just come in at the place. So whole heap of things going on, me not know yet. Me still have to catch up. Like where certain people there and I leave 13-year-old in a house on our own. So me still have catching up for those. So me not say yeah and me not say nay. But all me I say, you see, from me reach here, say, remember say, you can't take here, say go court. Here. From your innocent, you hold your head up and walk through life. Because people are going to talk. If the big man himself couldn't please everybody, what we have, we is just sinners. We is just ordinary sinners, mortals. And Jesus himself couldn't do it. So all we can do is do our best.
Alright, mommy. So, mommy, you don't feel tired? You don't feel like you want to get little rest?
Of course, I want to get little rest, but you come first. So me have to straighten this out. So me say what happened if it's not true? But what in the dark will come in the light. You see, anyhow, me here say one or none. Uno, a mattress, board, spring, headboard, headlight, anything like that. Murderation in your soul. Me not say it's true, you know. Me just say either way. And anyhow they name they and me find out, say, any picnic that live under my roof, a bedpost, bed stand, any mattress stand, board stand, whatever, I mean where is no whore.
Alright, mommy.
Alright? Wanna remember that.
Yeah.
So remember say wanna get on a warning. And remember say wanna get in encouragement. So mark, you know. If I'm not true, me there behind on 100%.
I say it, mom.
Yeah,
But you see if it's true, hey!
Mama, go and go and say it, man.
You're right, me go rest my head. I mean I want to see this again, you know, whether me there or not.
Alright, mommy.
Nighttime coming your sister on her own. That never happen again, here?
Alright, mommy, now got no again.
Alright.
Now
got my bed.
Alright, later.
Alright. Love on you, here?
Alright. You chat too much. I say, mommy, not believe you. Move, friends. Say, ready? Move. Come on, baby. One. Move.
What?